Hi, I'm Athena, and I would like to show you how I create collections. So, I use Palo Santo to restore energy, but before I do that, I do use sage to cleanse the energy. As you can see here, I'm working my magic, giving the healing it needs, but you do have to sanitize as well. Shown here is my I Within protection earrings in my Rebirth collection. Photo shoot time at Red Rock. Beautiful. Don't you love the beauty of nature? I use nature as my canvas, as my model. The perfect box for a perfect collection. Come shop at Zen with Athena.